We're here today because of TP Women and the real allies who made this community where women are respected, empowered, and made to succeed. Let's all inspire inclusion.
TP Women!
So a lot of avenues or a lot of institutions are available right now. And it's very important for everyone to know that we have these things. Kasi hindi ka nag-iisa. Pwede mo talaga ipaglaban yung karapatan mo.
So you have to accept that something's happening. And then talk to someone. And then if you think, as mentioned earlier, if it's physical because it's life-threatening, you have to report it.
Pero walang nagsa-stand up because of shame. We can remove that shame and put it into light. No? And nandito naman lahat ng community to help us. Awareness for all of us to end violence against women.
You need to step up, you need to speak out, don't be ashamed. That's why we have our Women and Children Protection Desk Officers or specialized investigators within the Philippine National Police. Kasi nga po, kung ganito ang mga cases, we need to treat them with respect.